Hello, Wendy Thoughts of Art family. We're going to be doing 4 types of shrimp ideas. Basically, here you see this nice juicy shrimp that's not cooked yet, and I'm about to lemon it up right now. Okay, so as I lemon it, we're going to be starting off with cleaning it, unpeeling it. Make sure all the juice and everything has got into it. Then after I unpeel it, we're going to get into the next steps, okay? So this is the first step in cleaning the shrimp. I'm going to saute it as well, and that will be one of the shrimp first ideas, okay? I will be showing you 2, 3, and 4 different types of shrimp ideas. Hopefully this will be very useful for you in different cooking routines and different activities that you may do. So hopefully it really helped, okay? Look at all those scales in the bowl. Look at that. Wow. It takes a little bit time, and it's very time consuming as well too. But I'm just showing you how it looks, and I'm just unpeeling it, so you'll see all these scales. Sometimes when you cook shrimp, few people, restaurants, you really don't get time to unpeel shrimp. But I'm showing you, I'm taking my time unpeeling all these shrimp. Then I'm going to saute it and put all these good ingredients into it and show you 4 different ways to do shrimp. Okay? Just different ideas to add to your cooking. Everyone have their own ingredients and spices to bring different ideas to their home, but this is just a little bit of something that I just want to share with you guys. Okay? Now I add the marinated herbs into the shrimp after I lemoned it, which brings all the flavor into the shrimp, and it tastes so good after you saute it. You will realize, what am I eating? Like OMG. Okay, and I mix it, make sure everything's all well and it's being sauteed. It's simmering right up, sauteing right now. The ingredients is fully getting into the shrimp. Meanwhile, as I put the ingredients, I will put vegetables on the side. I made a juicy salmon, which you can incorporate with the shrimp, and I sauteed plantain. Everything is not in the video, but I basically showed you the ways that you can add shrimp to it. But shrimp over salmon with plantains and vegetables. You can't go wrong with that. You cannot go wrong with that. This is the first idea of shrimp, okay? The second idea is shrimp with dipping. Homemade dipping that I made. It is wonderful. I will also leave you a few ingredients that I incorporated into these ideas. And if you have any questions, I will leave my email. I will leave all of the information that you need to contact me. Also, I have a math tutorial besides my cooking video. Please visit it. I will be adding more.
Okay, so now this is another different way you can use the shrimp. I already have different varieties of tacos. I sliced the cheese, cut up some tomatoes, and make it look kind of, very convenient.
You can also alternate the type of tacos that you're using with the shrimp tacos. So if you don't want hard tacos, you can also use the soft tacos. So everyone have their different types of flavors that brings the spice to them. Okay, so now I'm going to be boiling tricolor spiral pasta. Okay, so it's finished boiling right now. I'm going to mix it with a few little ingredients, add the mayo and the shrimp that's already had ingredients in it. Also, with the tricolor pasta shrimp, you can as well add the shrimp with broccoli. It is even more healthy and delicious. So that's also an alternate besides the tricolor pasta. Thank you for your time, your energy, and the effort that you took to watch my video. I appreciate your time. Until again, see you again. Goodbye. And please don't forget to hit that post notification where you never miss another video.